Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you create an appointment scheduler calendar in your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an appointment scheduler calendar in your Dubsado account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing consulting, you know that with Dubsado, you can create an appointment scheduler. So that way your clients can go ahead and go in and schedule their consultation or their appointment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create an appointment schedule calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on templates. Once you do that, you want to click on scheduler. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this box right here. So each one of these lines is a separate appointment scheduler. So two of these are already here by default. If you don't want these, you can go ahead and just delete them. Or if you want, you can go ahead and click into one of them and then edit it to fit your needs. But today I'm going to go ahead and click right here on add template. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and create a new appointment scheduler in our Dubsado. So first off, we're going to go ahead and name the appointment. So let's say this is a 30-minute mega workout. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and choose the duration. So let's say it's 30 minutes. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose when it can be scheduled. So a fixed date range. So this can only be scheduled for a certain time. If it's something that's ongoing, then you can do a rolling day window or indefinitely. I'm going to do rolling and then rolling for the next 7 days. Here you can go ahead and set your availability. So if you click into here, you can go ahead and set Mondays. Let's say we're only available from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and we can do all Mondays. And then you can go ahead and do the same thing for, if you want to add a second time, you can do like maybe a 9 o'clock until let's say 12. And then we're going to add a time. And then from let's say 12 or let's say 1 o'clock, because from 12 to 1, we're going to be closed. We'll do 1 o'clock until 10 p.m. add time. So you just want to go through day by day and then once booked, show you as busy or available. If you're working with a team, then you can go ahead and leave it as available. If it's just you, then you want to be sure to put it as busy. Here you can go ahead and add a location. So let's say it's a physical location, 123 Main Street. Okay, and once you've set that up, scroll up to the top, you can click on advanced. So this is really important prevention. So for me, I don't want to get an appointment and have to be on the phone in, 10 minutes. So usually I'm going to go ahead and put this at least 6 hours in advance. Buffer time, this is so you don't get slammed with appointment after appointment after appointment. So I'm going to do a 15-minute before and then a 15-minute after. Here you can go ahead and set the maximum appointments available for 1 day. So let's say maybe I only want to take no more than 4. Okay, so once you set up your scheduler appointment calendar, you're going to scroll down and click on save. Okay, so now we have a new calendar set up right here. So now if I want to share this with my audience, I can click right here on this copy link, and then we can go ahead and paste this appointment schedule calendar into my website by using this iframe code, or I can simply just grab this link right here and then I can post it in my social media. So that way, if my clients want to go ahead and just go into the link, they can go in here and schedule the 30-minute mega workout with me. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an appointment schedule calendar in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.